Let's discuss ERP for chemical industry, advanced formula for success. Advancements like digitization, modern facilities, sustainable projects and automation will help the industry to become more sustainable. All these products contributes to nearly 2/3 of India's basic organic chemical industry. To achieve more out of this tremendous growth, smart technologies like ERP systems should be integrated to the chemical manufacturing processes. Let's go through some of the challenges. Chemical industry is a prime contributor of hazardous pollutants and waste products that is a risk to the environment and its inhabitants. So it is a constant pressure for the industry to comply with all the government mandates. All the compliance work needs to be on point and accurate. The cost of basic raw materials like base liquids, chemicals, natural gas and crude oil are too high. Technological upgradation is vital for this industry to improve operations, achieve manufacturing efficiency and boost productivity. With help of right technology, chemical industry can accelerate its processes and achieve more. Factors including volatile raw material costs, supply shortages and transportation disruptions affect the chemical supply chain operation. By implementing Sage X3, the chemical manufacturer will have the advantage to manage all the business processes in a centralized database. It has robust features to track stock levels, access inventory data and accurate reporting tools to establish better control. Sage X3 helps to strategically manage raw materials, reduce costs, and minimizes wastage, which results in enhanced profitability. It helps to track raw materials in stock, the quantity required for the production process and manages accurate formulas required for producing finished goods. It is a powerful tool to comply with stringent regulations that govern storage, transportation, handling, labeling, and use of chemicals. Implement this agile and flexible system to stay competitive in the business landscape. Take the next step, connect with us.